It's Aubrey here. Today I'm doing the Eureka Math Grade 5 Module 2 Lesson 25 homework. So let's get started. Alright, number 1, estimate the quotients. So A, we have 3.53 divided by 51. Alright, so 3.53 divided by 51, estimate the quotients. So first, 51, our divisor, we can round it to 50. So it's easier to divide. So we always round the divisor first if we're estimating. So let's look at the dividend. We need to find something that's a multiple of 5. So 3.53, we know 35 is a multiple of 5. So you can round this number to 3.5. And then that will give us 3.5 divided by 5. Divide by 5, and then divide by 10, because we're dividing by 50, but we can break it apart into first 3.5 divided by 5, but we also have to divide by the 10 and 50. I like the 10s. So let's see, 3.5 divided by 5, that will give us 35 divided by 5, so 35 tenths divided by 5 ones, that's 7 tenths, which is 0.7. divided by 10 equals 0.07. So our estimate would be 0.07. Let's look at B. 24.2 divided by 42. 42 can round to 40. And we know 4 goes into 24, so we can round this number to 24. Divided by 40. So you write 24 divided by 4 first, and then divide by 10. 24 divided by 4 is 6. 6 divided by 10, that's 0.6. So our answer is 0.6. C, 9.13 divided by 23. 23 rounds to 20. And 9.13, we know 2 can't go into 9. But however, 2 can go into 8 and it can go into 10. So you can round to 8 or 10, but I think I'd rather round to 8 because 9.13 would be closer to 8. Maybe, actually, I'm not sure. Actually, you can round to 10 or 8, but I think I'd rather round it to 8. So 8 divided by 20. 8 divided by 20, that would just be 8 divided by 2, and then divided by 10. 8 divided by 2 is 4, so that's 4 divided by 10, which is 0.4. Okay, now D, 79.2 divided by 39. Alright, 79.2, 39 rounds to 40, and 79.2, we can just round to 80 because 4 goes to 8. So that's actually just 80 divided by 40, which is 2. So our estimate is 2. Alright, E, 7.19 divided by 58. 58 rounds to 60. And 7.19, I think we can just round it to 6. Because, yeah, 6 goes into 6. We write it as 6 divided by 6 first, and then divide by 10. Equals 1 divided by 10, which is 0.1. So these are our estimates. 2 says, estimate the quotient in 2A. Use your estimated quotient to estimate B and C. So 2A, first we have 9.13 divided by 42. 42 rounds to 40. And 9.13, we can round this to 80. So now we have 8 divided by 4. And then we can do 8 divided by 4 divided by 10 equals 2 divided by 10 equals 0.2. So yeah. Alright, but now for B, let's see, 913 divided by 42. So notice how our divisor stays the same, 42 and 42, but then our dividend becomes 9.13 to 913. So that's 100 times greater. So we're dividing a number that's 100 times greater, but still we're dividing by the same amount of groups. Then the amount of numbers in each group must be greater by 100. So all we have to do for 2b is to do 0.2 times 100, which is 20. So our estimate is 20. And C, 91.3 divided by 42, we're using A to help us. The divisor stays the same, but the dividend becomes 10 times greater. So if we're splitting a number to 42 groups, but that number becomes 10 times greater than before, then the portion of each group must also be 10 times greater than before. So 0.2 times 10, that would be 2. Alright, let's look at number 3. This is bought a bag of 3 dozen toy animals as party favors for her son's birthday party. The bag of toys animals cost $28.97. Estimate the total price, the price of each toy animal. 3 dozen toy animals. 1 dozen is 12, so 3 dozen is 3 times 12, which is 39. So if we think of it as 39 toy animals, the total is $28.97. So what we do here, we divide $28.97 divided by, oh, did I write 39? 36. Divided by 36 equals 36, we can round to 40, and we know 4 goes in 28, so we can just keep this as 28. 28 divided by 40. That's 28 divided by 4 first, and then divide by 10 is 7, and that's 7 divided by 10, which will give us 0.7. And since we're making it many, we can put a 0 at the end to show 70 cents. So 70 cents for each toy animal. Alright, number 4 says Carter drank 15.75 gallons of water in 4 weeks. He drank the same amount of water each day. Estimate how many gallons he drank in one day. 4 weeks, 1 week is 7 days. So 4 weeks is 4 times 7, which is 28 days. Alright, so let's see. Number 4, that's 15.75 divided by 28. 28 rounds to 30, and 15 can just round to 15. 15 divided by 30, that's 15 divided by 3, and then divide by 10. Equals 15 divided by 3 is 5, divided by 10, that is 0.5. So our estimate would be 0.5. Alright, but B says estimate how many gallons he drank in 1 week. So if he drinks 0.5 gallons a day and a week is 7 days, then we just do 0.5 times 7. Alright, and 0.5 times 7. 5 times 7 is 35. And we bring the decimal point down, that's 3.5. So 3.5 gallons in 1 week. Alright, and C says, about how many total days altogether will it take him to drink 20 gallons. If he drinks 0.5 gallons a day, then we just do 20 gallons divided by 0.5. So how we do this, if it's a decimal, you just do long division, 20 divided by 0.5. But since it's kind of hard to picture as decimal, what we can do is multiply until the 5 becomes not decimal. So 0.5 and 20. For the 0.5, for the 5 to get to the ones place, we need to multiply by 10. So we multiply by 10, we just have 5 And 20 times 10 is 200. So we have 200 divided by 5. 5 goes 0 times into 2, but it goes 4 times into 20. So minus 0, bring the 0 down. So that wouldn't work. So then that would just be, that would just be 40, basically. That'd basically just be 40. Okay. Oh yeah, because that's a 0. So 20 gallons divided by 0.5 equals 40 days for him to drink 20 gallons. So yeah. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video helps. And please don't forget to like and subscribe because it really helps out my channel. See you guys next time. Bye!